recruitment process details of Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational company headquartered in Paris. It's one of the largest companies in IT services, consulting and outsourcing. It has more than 130,000 employees and is operating in more than 40 countries worldwide. Let's talk about how does Capgemini recruits. Now, in order to recruit its employees, Capgemini conducts a 3-round process. One is the online written test round, the second round is the technical interview round, and the third round is the HR interview round. Before going into the nitty-gritties of each and every round, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. In order to get through the eligibility criteria of Capgemini, a student should have secured more than 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation. There should not be any backlog at the time of application, but the Capgemini allows a gap of maximum 1 year. Now let's talk about each and every round in detail. As I said, the round 1 is the online written test round. This round again has 3 sub-rounds. The 3 sub-rounds are the aptitude round, the essay writing round and the technical round. In aptitude round, again there are 2 sections. One is the quantitative aptitude, the other one is the logical reasoning. Then there are again 2 sections in the technical round, the data structure and the pseudo-codes. Talking about the number of questions and the paper pattern, in the quantitative aptitude there are 16 questions and in logical reasoning section also there are 16 questions. The total time for these 2 sections taken together is 50 minutes. In essay writing sub-round, we have only 1 question which has to be done in a time span of 25 minutes. And in pseudocode round, there are 25 questions to be done in the time span of 25 minutes. Students, please note down that all these subsections or the sub-rounds are the eliminating rounds. That means you need to clear the cutoff in order to go to the next round. Talking about the syllabus, in the quantitative aptitude section, we have topics like permutation, combination, probability, percentage, mixture, allegation, time, speed, distance, time and work. In the logical reasoning section, we have topics such as direction, analogies, blood relations, coding, decoding, flowcharts, etc. In the essay writing, we have the essay on the topics which are the general topics or the IT related topics, like talk about your best friend, reservation, unemployment, then is mobile good or bad, is computer good or bad, digitalization, etc. The questions in the pseudocode round may pertain to C, C++, OOPS, data structures. So this was all about the syllabus. Moving on to the round 2, which is the technical interview round. As I have already shared, that technical interview round is the round which is to talk about the technical background, the technical knowledge of the candidate. Here in this round, the questions may be from the languages like C, C++, OOPS, etc. And whatever you have mentioned in your resume, the interviewer may ask questions from that. In the HR round, which is the last round or the final round, the HR will have a face-to-face interaction with the candidate in order to check all the personal details and also to know about the salary expectations, the family background, the interests, the hobbies, etc. So you need to be very, very confident in this particular round. So this was all from my side in this. Till we meet next, thank you so much.